Hello everyone. Today we will be going over 3 more functions of Google Maps. Today we will be going over how to choose your mode of transportation for navigation, avoid toll roads and highways, and share your location. If you would like to see the first video, it will be linked at the end. Okay, so to start, we're going to go ahead and click on search here. Once you've clicked there, I'm going to go ahead and use an address that I've already put in. I'm going to click on AT&T Stadium. Once you're here, go ahead and hit directions. From this screen, you're going to be able to see the 3 different routes that it's given you. So the gray on either side of the blue are going to be different options that you can choose from. So you can actually change it by just clicking on them. You can actually change your mode of transportation. If you'll look at the top where you can see it has a little car symbol and then a train and then a person walking, you can click on those and it will give you your different modes of transportation options. So for train, the first option would be to drive by car for 12 minutes, get on the green line for DART, get on a bus, and then use a Lyft for the last 15 minutes. The next one for walking, it's giving you 2 different options. So you can go ahead and click on the gray or click on the blue. Then it'll give you your options for Lyft, so you can see the different prices. Here's your different biking options. And you're not really going to get an option for a flight because it's too close, but it's an option. So from here, another thing that's really good is that it'll tell you at the top, this one right here that I've just highlighted, it has tolls. The middle does not have tolls. But you can also adjust that by at the top of your screen, next to the box that says your location, go ahead and click on the 3 dots. And you're going to see at the top it says route options. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to see avoid highways, tolls, and ferries. I always have fuel efficient routes on, and you can always adjust that. So some days I don't really feel like getting on the highway, I'll go ahead and turn that on. When I'm driving the city, I try to avoid the tolls, I'll go ahead and turn that on. Whatever your preferences are, really. And then for the last part, all you have to do is I'm going to go ahead and put in the library address. And from here, all you have to do is where it says directions, you're going to slide that to the left and hit share, and then from there you can select the person that you want to share your location with. This is really helpful, especially if you're trying to meet up with friends to go to like a concert or anything like that. If you're ever in a place where there's not necessarily a landmark that you want to share and you want to give them your exact location, what you can also do is, if you can see next to the library, there's a little park area. You can also press your finger on that area until a little pin comes up, and like you did before, you're going to slide this to the left and you're going to hit share, and it'll give them your exact GPS location, so they're going to be able to find you. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let us know, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.